Hello guys. Hope everyone is doing good. Today, we are going to talk about how to be a successful independent insurance agent. Regardless of the status of the economy, making a profession in insurance is a long-lasting and recession-proof career. Even in a pandemic, individuals require insurance. Cars are still running, homes are still on the roads, and businesses still operate with risks. Here are a few tips and requirements to become an independent insurance agent. Licensing. You must obtain a license before become a successful independent insurance agent. You will also require insurance coverage, as you will need to show proof before selling insurance or obtaining appointments. You will either need to choose the insurance carriers or they need to choose you. You have the freedom to choose according to your liking and requirements. You will also need to be thoroughly prepared for the job. Create a business plan. Do some market research and support everything with facts. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Check out the link in the description below to learn more.